Leaks in presidential travel details raise security concerns. The 10th of September 2025, by a correspondent. As Zimbabwe gears up for the official opening of the Sanganai/Hlanganani World Tourism Expo in Mutare, questions are being raised over repeated breaches of presidential security protocols, with confidential travel details of President Emmerson Mnangagwa consistently finding their way into the public domain. Concerns stem from several high-profile incidents where UK-based social media personality LNSTACSA disclosed Mnangagwa's travel plans, including visits to the Vatican, China, and Eswatini, days before official announcements. Diplomatic and intelligence circles have described the revelations as unusually precise, fueling suspicions of a leak from within the president's office. Presidential itineraries are classified for security reasons, covering sensitive diplomatic engagements, logistical arrangements, and strategic timing. Security analysts warn that premature disclosures not only compromise Mnangagwa's safety, but also undermine negotiations and signal internal disloyalty. The fact that someone outside the country can access and broadcast such details suggests either negligence or deliberate sabotage, one analyst said. Despite repeated leaks, there have been no public investigations, arrests, or visible changes to security protocols. This lack of accountability has raised fears of a growing vulnerability within the country's security establishment. The silence is deafening, another commentator noted. If the agencies tasked with safeguarding the presidency are either unaware or unwilling to act, then institutional trust itself is at risk. Adding to the unease, today's opening of the Tourism Expo at Mutare Sports Club was marred by errors in the program and logistical mishaps. Despite oversight from senior government officials, observers say such lapses reflect deeper dysfunction in state protocol and event management. Analysts argue that the issue extends beyond one social media personality or one event. Instead, it highlights a systemic erosion of discipline and accountability within state institutions. The presidency is more than a political office. It is a symbol of national sovereignty. A Harare-based political analyst said, if the president's diary can be leaked with such ease, then the integrity of the entire security system must be questioned. Calls are now growing for authorities to conduct urgent investigations, tighten protocols, and restore public confidence in the systems meant to protect the highest office in the land.